How to use Instagram Story question stickers. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now look at the bottom of the screen and click on the plus icon. Then, make sure you are on the story page. Next, on the left side, tap on the Create option. Then, look at the bottom right corner and click on the color icon to change the colors. Next, at the top, tap on the Stickers icon. A few options will appear. Look for Questions option and tap on it. You can now resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen at your preferred angle. Next, enter the question in the designated field, then tap on Done in the top right corner. After that, click Your Story at the bottom to add it to your story. Now, on the app's homepage, tap on the profile icon at the top to access the story page. Next, swipe up from bottom of the screen. Here, you can view the answers to the question in your story. Now tap Reply, and a pop-up will appear with several options. Select Share Response to proceed. After that, click on the Shutter button and record your response, or type in your reply. Adjust and resize the reply to match your story. Next, click on Your Story at the bottom to share. And that's it.